So what's your wheel size? Well, there are a few ways to find out. You can check your tyre markings, you can measure your rim, or you can check your bike specification online. We'll start with tyre markings. I've got a 28-inch wheel here. You're looking for 2 numbers, followed by a dash, followed by 3 numbers. For a 28-inch wheel, that will say 622. If you can't find those, you need to find a 28X or a 700X, and that indicates you've got a 28-inch wheel. If you can't find the markings on your tyre, you need to measure the diameter of the metal wheel rim from edge to edge, not including the tyre. If that is 622 millimeters, you have a 28-inch wheel. If your wheel is 26 inches, these are the markings you need to look out for. 2 numbers, followed by a dash, followed by 3 numbers. Those 3 numbers should say 559. If you can't find those numbers on your tyre, you're looking for a 26 followed by the times symbol. You need to measure the diameter of the metal wheel rim from edge to edge, not including the tyre. If that is 559 millimeters, you have a 26-inch wheel. If you bought your bike online, you can check the specifications to see if your wheel is 26 inches. Here's an example. If you have any more questions about your wheel size, get in touch with our support team. They'll be happy to help you out.